In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable WhatsApp notifications in Hostinger. If you're receiving WhatsApp alerts from your Hostinger account and you'd prefer to turn them off, the process is very quick and easy. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can update your notification preferences without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're already signed into your Hostinger account dashboard. Once you're inside the main account area, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This is where Hostinger keeps your personal account options and settings, so go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the menu. After the menu appears, look for the option called Notification Settings and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can manage how Hostinger contacts you and which types of alerts you want to receive. Depending on your screen size or device, the layout may look slightly different, but the setting name should still be the same. When you enter the notification settings page, you'll see different notification categories and delivery methods arranged in columns. Find the column labeled WhatsApp. This is the area that controls whether Hostinger can send updates and alerts to you through WhatsApp. Under that WhatsApp column, you'll notice checkboxes next to the available notification types. To disable WhatsApp notifications, simply untick those checkboxes. As you remove the check marks, you are turning off those WhatsApp alerts for your account. If there are multiple boxes selected, make sure you untick all of the ones you no longer want enabled. Take a moment to review the page after making the changes, just to confirm the WhatsApp column is now unchecked where needed. This helps ensure that you've successfully disabled the notifications you wanted to stop. And that's it. Once those checkboxes are unticked, your Hostinger account will no longer send those notifications through WhatsApp. This is a useful setting to adjust if you want fewer messages, prefer to receive updates through another channel, or simply want more control over how account alerts reach you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly disable WhatsApp notifications in Hostinger.